All right, this is Science 1110 for summer 2021. I'm Dr. John Trutzen. I'll be teaching this class this summer. Professor of physics at BSU, teaches this class for a long time. This is a 4-credit class. It's entirely online, including the labs. You will need to have YouTube videos I'll be posting, including this introductory one, which I'll be posting on the main content page for the class. So I'll be explaining some of the procedures today. I'm just going to do like a 10-15 minute introduction to the course and go through that and then explain. So we'll start on Monday, June 7th and run through July 31st, all right? So, I know we have the holiday break, 4th of July weekend break. Assignments will be open. You can work on them then, but nothing will be due during that break between July 2nd and July 5th. So, that's the course. So, again, everything's online. Everything is on D2L, and all the links are there, and I'll go through some of these in the next lecture. But I'm just briefly going to go over the course itself. It's broken up into 4 sections. All right, with 1 exam for each test, 1 exam. You can take 2 attempts. All right, for each one, the highest score for that. I do have some review quiz questions, which will be introduction. So for each one, there'll be a review quiz prior that you can take multiple times, multiple attempts. And these will count as extra credit. So you can either do them or not do them. So those are for each one. So I'll have those posted. There'll be lecture handouts. For that, I will be doing some actual lectures. I will be using entirely on YouTube. All right, I am not doing anything synchronous, and I'm not doing anything on Zoom. All right, if you have questions, you can certainly come and see me as far as that's concerned. But that'll be the course will be posted that way, so you can access it at your own leisure. All right, again, we're doing a course that's normally 15 weeks in 8, so we kind of go a little bit faster as far as that's concerned. So for exam, there's review quizzes. You can check the syllabus, which will be posted on Monday when the course starts. There will also be 10, we call video quizzes. And what I'll have is there will be a link. It's like a NOVA type quiz. No by video or some kind of interesting subject. There will be like a 50-minute video with questions that I'll post. You watch the video, answer the questions, and then submit the quiz. So for this, you can do this depending on 2 to 3 attempts. All right. And so there are multiple choice quizzes. Everything for this class is going multiple choice for the most part. There may be some short answer stuff, but for the most part, no. And there'll be links for each one. Now, I will try to keep track of the links. Sometimes they break. Most of the time they don't. But it happens. So I have found some video, and then somehow they don't do it anymore. But I'll keep posting that if you are aware of any questions like that. There'll also be 13 what we call web quizzes. And what these will be consisted of are questions with an embedded link. You click on the link, and then it will be short answer quiz for that. These are all these are short answer questions, so I actually grade these by hand. So these are all graded by hand, manual. The short answer, so don't worry about trying to get exactly right as far as that is concerned. And again, you can do these a couple times. And such. All right, there's also a few discussions. I'll post topics on discussions, and you'll need to post a comment on that or reply to some other comment. I think the requirement is 10 total posts. And the post can be relatively short, a few sentences. You don't have to get any lengthy detail as far as that's concerned. If you got questions about that. There'll also be a lab, right? And these will be entirely multiple choice, and these are online. And I will have a handout or something, and then I'll have a video that explains the lab, and then you'll do the quiz for that. You'll get 3 attempts for those. All right, so there's a lot of stuff we're doing, but this is normally what we do in a normal semester. All of these are relatively short, relatively easy. There's nothing complicated. And then there's a final exam, which will be 1 attempt. So on my next slide, so this will be the entire course. Everything is submitted as a quiz, with the exception of the discussions, which are, you post those on the discussion. Otherwise, everything is posted under discussion link. There are no assignments, separate assignments. There's no term papers for this. So anything, including the labs, are submitted. You pull up, look on the quiz. Everything will be open 2 weeks. And so basically it's only an 8-week class. You'll be a number of assignments that open at the same time. So the first assignments that open on June 7th will actually not close until the 21st. So you have 2 weeks to do it. They do not close at midnight. They just close 2 weeks from when I first open it. So when I'd say it closes on June 21st, it could be 4 in the afternoon. So don't wait until 3:30 or 10 o'clock. Oh, I thought I had till midnight. That is not the case. No assignment is due till midnight. It's open at midnight. You want to do it at midnight, do it the night before. So this will be the course as far as that's concerned. So a little bit of an introduction to this. And so this is 11:10. And feel free to ask me any questions as far as that's concerned. But again, links, post video will be YouTube, and I will be checking on that. So have fun and look out for the next posting.